Plonkers, Daft Scots Lass here, and today I thought I'd vlog outside for a change. It is such a nice day. It's still a bit chilly, middle of winter here in South Africa, but I'm not really outside as such. I'm in the garden, but I suppose that does count as outside, doesn't it? Anyway, today I'm going to talk about my blog. As most of you know, I've been talking a lot on my blog lately about my mojo and that it's fucked off somewhere. In order to get me into the blog mood again, or the writing mood actually, or any posts of anything of substance, I am going to do a little feature. So it's basically like a daily featured blog. I'm going to start that on Monday. So if you want to be a featured blog, all you have to do is email me. What I'm going to start with, I think, is the people that already follow my blog and people that I haven't actually heard from in a long time. So in other words, people who followed my blog like maybe 2 or 3 years ago who don't comment on my blog anymore, that will bring some of the old readers back, and hopefully that will inspire me to start writing decent posts again, because it really has been like 2 or 3 months. Actually, it's been since the A to Z blog challenge that I haven't been able to blog properly, and I think it's because I really haven't had much time to think about what I'm going to blog about, because normally I would do that at work or in between doing tasks at work, and I really haven't had time to go to the fucking toilet to pee lately at work. I'm just so busy all the time. What are you doing? He's fucking with me, isn't he? I bet he was in the fucking background giving me bunny ears or something shit like that. Anyway, so I'm gonna probably edit this video and see dipshit in the background doing something really rude to me, or just in general being super silly. I can hear him cackling like an old whore. I mean, really. You're so juvenile. Anyway, back to the vlog. Oh look, another little visitor's here. Say hello. I'm going to be doing a blog fest very soon. I think it's the 10th or the 12th to the 14th. Oh, I'm not sure. I'll put the link below as well. But it's a blog fest, and he's back, the bastard. Right, so now that I've got rid of douche nozzle cocking around in the background, I'm going to tell you about Jeremy's Dog Days of Summer blog hop. Go over to Jeremy's blog. I'll put the link below. I think it's the first blog hop that he's hosting, so go check him out. I think that's about it for now. Oh my goodness, look at that airplane. Look, check it out. Can you see it? Jeez, man, it's going really high. Frickin' hell. Stalled it. Oh no, you're shy. Oh no, you're shy. Between douche nozzle and the frickin' pocket bike, I don't think I'm gonna get to vlog today. No, I don't think it's gonna happen. They're fucking with me again. I'm never gonna get this fucking blog done, am I? Right, well, I don't think I'm gonna get very much constructive vlogging done today, so I will say goodbye. Bye. And hopefully next time I will be able to vlog on my own. Without too many interruptions. So, bye for now, Plonkers.